First, add the scanner to your network using the desktop app or mobile app so your Windows computer will scan it automatically if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Please refer to my separate tutorial on setting up and connecting the printer under the Settings app on your Windows 11. Go to Bluetooth and Devices from the left side of the window. Then go to the Printer and Scanners option. Click on Add Device. Here's where I found my E4500 Canon printer. Now you are ready to scan a document using the built-in Scan app or Paint app. Use the built-in Windows Fax and Scan app. Search from the search bar next to the Windows menu. Otherwise, use the Windows Scan free app. Download it from the Microsoft Store. We will see all the apps one by one. I am using the Windows Fax and Scan app. Click on New Scan from the top left corner. Select the scan settings before starting to scan the document with the printer. The printer is selected correctly. If you have multiple printers or scanned on the same network, then change it from here. Now select a profile and file type, like a photo or document, or select Last Use settings. Then select the source. Flatbat and feeder, scan one by one option. If you have multiple documents, then I recommend the feeder option on the supported printer. Automatic Document Feeder, ADF, is a printer component typically located on top that automatically feeds multiple sheets of paper into a scanner or copier one by one. Another source option is Flatbat. Put the document inside the printer and print one document at a time. Then choose paper size, color type, file type, and resolution. 150 is default. You can do it up to 300 for more clear scanning. Once you are ready, you can start the scan with a single click. That's it. You can preview all the files here and save the selected file from the top menu. Click on File and save as another picture format like PNG, JPEG, and more. Or right-click on File, preview it, and edit using the tools like Rotate. Under the More option, you can use different Save As, Resize, and more. That's it, but limited. The app doesn't allow saving in a PDF file. You can fix that problem with another Windows Scan app. Now, the second app is Windows Scan, the official app by Windows. Free app you can download from the store. The link is given in the video description. In this app, select the printer first, then select the right source type as I explained earlier in this video. Select Flatbat or Feeder. Under File Type, select the correct file type like PDF, PNG, JPEG, XPS, and more. Then select the resolution and default save location. Scanned documents are automatically saved to the default location on your Windows PC. Now start the scan by clicking on the Scan button at the bottom left corner. Wait for a few moments and that's it. After completing the scan, view from the top. That's it. If you have any questions, then comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe for new video updates.